We can use the phrases would you mind or do you mind to make polite requests. Would you mind is more polite and more common. These phrases would you mind and do you mind are followed by ing form. For example, would you mind waiting here for 1 minute? Would you mind switching on the lights? Would you mind giving me a ride to school? Do you mind turning down the music a little? We cannot say, would you mind to close that window, please? We say, would you mind closing that window, please? When we ask someone's permission, would you mind and do you mind are followed by if. Would you mind plus if I plus past or do you mind plus if I plus present. For example, would you mind if I came with you? Would you mind if I close the window? Do you mind if I ask a question at this point? Do you mind if I smoke?